I always joke and say I have two mother-in-laws, not because I have two husbands. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my mother-in-law's cornbread recipe. Okay, so the first thing you need is a cast iron pan, and that's very important. You have to have a cast iron pan, otherwise it's not going to come out the same. So what you'll want to do is pour some oil in the pan and just take a paper towel and rub it over the pan just so everything could get coated. You are going to set your oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and put the pan in there and let it heat up. To a bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're going to mix everything together. This recipe has been in the family for many years, and my mother-in-law always makes it, and she makes a really good cornbread. I still feel like my one is not quite as good as hers, but hey, I'm doing the best I can. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk, and 2 eggs. Mix that really well until everything is combined. I love my mother-in-law Joretta. She is the sweetest. Ever since I met her, she has been so nice and so sweet to me. And we always talk on the phone and laugh a lot. Sometimes we just say hello and we start laughing. But she is very sweet. I love her so much, and I know she loves me too. I hope she's listening. Okay, now that the oven is up to temperature, I'm going to take the pan out and pour the butter in there. I love it when you pour the butter in there and you hear that sizzle. You guys, I kind of messed it up. Right after I poured the butter in, I realized I forgot to sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal in the pan. So what my mother-in-law usually do is just sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal on the bottom of the pan and then pour the butter in. So don't forget to do that like I did. You are going to bake that for 30 minutes. Okay, so she'll usually just take it out of the oven and flip it over on a plate. I wanted my hubby to cut the first slice since this is one of his childhood favorites. I mean, he always talk about this cornbread, so I wanted him to cut it. I always joke and say I have two mother-in-laws, not because I have two husbands. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? No, but my hubby was adopted, so that's why I have two mother-in-laws, but I love both of my mother-in-laws. They are so nice and so sweet to me. Would you just look at how delicious that looks? Oh my goodness. I could eat a piece right now. And as you can see how nice the bottom is, that's why you need to have a cast iron pan. You can bake it in your regular baking dish, but it's not going to come out the same. And trust me, because I've made it many times in other baking dish and they never come out the same. It's just not the same, like the cast iron does something to it. This is the best when you put butter on there and it's hot, but we had to go take a picture, so by the time we came back with it, it was cold. But oh my gosh, there's nothing like some hot cornbread and some butter. I don't know, I might be a little biased just because I love corn. I mean, I even made corn ice cream the other day, so you know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try. If you do, please come back and let me know. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.